Hello there. Today we're back out on the Isle of Mull and we've come down. This is the first time I've done this place. It's called Castle Moy. I'll put the spelling on shortly for you. Looks absolutely fantastic. It's a beautiful beach. Proper black sands. It looks just incredible. Join me shortly and I get set up so we can get some reflections, everything. Looks beautiful. Can't wait to get going. So I'm looking around, looking for reflections. There's some beautiful texture in the sand as well. And I'm loving how it's black. It looks fantastic. The castle looks stunning, especially against the orange hill. Just looks amazing here. Places like this, what you need to try and do is get really low, get a good foreground, get up high, try and get reflections, maybe low down for reflections as well. It just looks stunning. Let me show you the back of the camera. It's a little bit bright with the sun behind us, but I'll try and show you the back of the screen. So I don't know if we are going to see on the back of the camera because the sun is right behind us. But we have got the castle, we've got the hill, got the reflection down here. Move that out of the way now. I am just going to rotate the polarizer just to try and darken the foreground. The thing to remember with polarizers, they don't really work with the sun in front or directly behind, which is pretty much is now. So the polarization is quite minimal. What I may do is just underexpose a little bit. Let's see if we can get the polarizer to show anything. No, it's not really doing much. A little bit there. I am going to underexpose, probably a stop. In fact, I might even bracket. Let's just take a quick shot there. And then we'll underexpose just a little bit more, just for a better sky. Blend these two together in Photoshop and it should look quite nice. I'll put this on for you right now to have a look at. I'm loving it. I'm now going to try and wade across. The tide is going out and it is just shallow water. So I'm going to try and turn the camera away from the sun as well. I am looking for little pools for reflections. I'm just dying to get a good reflection of this castle. I'm just going to find out if my boots leak or not. At the moment I'm still dry. There are some, it looks absolutely stunning. Just look at all this seaweed, the texture, the rocks. Oh, it's just incredible. Absolutely incredible here. I am trying to look for a way around. I think it's just a bit too deep for me. There's a little path just up here. I keep looking and bending down and just looking for reflections. While you're at places like this, just take your time and try from really low down, literally 6 inches from the surface, up as high as you can get with a tripod, and look for little reflections and look for textures and look for lines in the rocks. They all look amazing. It really does. I'm going to head over, closer now towards the castle. Betsy's over there, she's hunting crabs again and she's having a fantastic time over here, Betsy is. She's loving it. But this looks really nice. I can't believe all the times I've come to Mull, I've never actually come and done this castle. It looks beautiful. So I've now just come across this beautiful textured grass. It looks absolutely fantastic. I have just took a vertical shot and I'm now lining up a horizontal. Unfortunately, we have got an house there with the castle lined up over towards the right hand rule of thirds. Looks fantastic, but I've got the house in the shot, which I don't want. So I'm now composing it with the castle towards the right hand line on the, towards the left hand line on the rule of thirds. And this grass just leading up as a leading line towards it. It looks slightly off centre, which I'm not bothered about. I don't want the castle bang in the centre anyway, so it looks lovely. I do like it. The sky looks nice as well on the camera. Let me just show you what I'm doing and I'll get the shot. I am loving this foreground. It looks just beautiful. You've got this as a line up, you've got this as a line coming in as well. It is very, very bright here, so I am underexposing. And what I'm trying to do is, I'm literally 2/3 of a stop underexposed. I'm going to focus roughly there, about a third into the scene, and take the shot. And then I'm going to focus on the castle, and I'm also going to underexpose just a fraction more, down to a stop and a third, just for that sky. Looks beautiful, absolutely beautiful. The nice thing with doing it this way, the shot that's 1 1/3 stops underexposed, you probably could retrieve all the detail in the shadow slider down here, so you could just use the one shot if you wanted to. I've took the 2 shots, so I probably will just bracket them and merge them together. It looks beautiful here. I can't get enough of this place. I can't believe I've never come here before. So just walking back to the car and to get a cup of tea. Well, I've got a chocolate, so I'm going to spoil myself. We've got this lovely long line of rocks as a leading line up to the castle. I'll show you the back of the camera. This is probably the nicest shot I've took today yet. They're all nice, but I do like this. The exposure is more balanced. The colour in the rocks look superb. Bits of green with the grass. I'm loving it. I'll show you the back of the camera. For this shot, I am just lining up the rocks coming from the bottom right all the way up towards the castle. Let's move that out of the way. Straight there. It looks fantastic. I'm not a fan of the big shadows, but the way the sun is to the right can't be helped. It looks fantastic. There is a little trailer over there that I will clone out in Photoshop, and I will do a focus stack literally down here, there, and on the castle. Looks beautiful. I'll put this shot on for you right now. Again, drop me a comment. Should I leave that trailer in or should I take it out? Right, it's time for a cup of tea, well, or chocolate. So, I'll head back to the car now. Please check out the links below. Subscribe. We can do it all again next week. Your support really is appreciated. I've got to find Betsy. She has legged it again, so there's a lot of gorse here, and I think she's gone off in the gorse after seagulls and stuff, so I'm going to go and find her. But yeah, I'll put all the photos on there for you. Until next time, take it easy.